Welcome to Misoo English Coloring. Today we will learn English together. Look, listen, and color with me. Let's begin.
Cat, cat.
Look, a cute cat.
Meow. It wants to play.
Cat, cat. Dog, dog.
Do you see the dog?
Woof woof. It's so friendly.
Dog, dog. Cow, cow.
What's that big animal?
That's a cow. Moo.
Cow, cow. Pig, pig.
Is that a pig?
Yes. Oink oink.
Pig, pig. Chicken, chicken.
What sound does a chicken make?
Cluck cluck.
Chicken, chicken. Duck, duck.
Do ducks swim?
Yes. Quack quack.
Duck, duck. Sheep, sheep.
What animal is so fluffy?
It's a sheep. Bah.
Sheep, sheep. Goat, goat.
Is that a goat?
Yep. It says ma.
Goat, goat. Horse, horse.
Can horses run fast?
Yes, like the wind.
Horse, horse. Rabbit, rabbit.
Is that rabbit hopping?
Yes. Boing boing.
Rabbit, rabbit.
Let's review the words.
Cat, dog, cow, pig, chicken, duck, sheep, goat, horse, rabbit.
Mouse. Mouse. Is that a mouse?
Yes, it's so quick.
Mouse. Mouse.
Rat, rat.
Is it bigger than a mouse?
Yes, it's a rat.
Rat, rat. Ferret, ferret.
What's that long animal?
A ferret. So curious.
Ferret, ferret. Ox, ox.
Is that an ox?
Yes, it's strong.
Ox, ox. Buffalo, buffalo.
What's that big animal in the mud?
That's a buffalo.
Buffalo, buffalo. Goose, goose.
Why is that bird so loud?
It's a goose.
Goose, goose. Swan, swan.
What a beautiful bird.
That's a swan.
Swan, swan. Peacock, peacock.
Look at that colorful bird.
It's a peacock.
Peacock, peacock. Chick, chick.
What's that tiny yellow thing?
A chick.
Peep, peep.
Chick, chick.
Who is that next to the cow?
Her calf.
calf, calf.
Let's review the words.
Mouse, rat, ferret, ox, buffalo, goose, swan, peacock, chick, cat, rooster, rooster,
What wakes us up early?
The rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
rooster, rooster. Hen, hen,
Where's the hen? She's laying eggs.
hen, hen. Turkey, turkey.
Have you seen a turkey?
Yes, it's so big.
Turkey, turkey. Goose, goose.
What's that noisy bird?
A goose. Honk, honk.
Goose, goose. Donkey, donkey.
Is that a donkey?
Yes! Hee-hee-ha!
Donkey, donkey. Llama, llama.
What's that fluffy animal?
That's a llama.
Llama, llama. Pony, pony.
Is that a small horse?
Yes, a pony.
Pony, pony. Hamster, hamster.
Who's in the cage?
A hamster so tiny.
Hamster, hamster. Guinea pig, guinea pig.
What is this furry pet?
A guinea pig. Cute.
Guinea pig, guinea pig. Parrot, parrot.
Can parrots talk?
Yes. Hello, hello.
Parrot, parrot.
Let's review the words.
Rooster, hen, turkey, goose, donkey, llama, pony, hamster, guinea pig, parrot. Lamb, lamb.
Aw, is that a baby sheep?
Yes, that's a lamb.
Lamb, lamb. Kid, kid.
Who's jumping so high?
That little goat. A kid.
Kid, kid. Foal, foal.
Is that horse very young?
Yes, it's a foal.
Foal, foal. Kitten, kitten.
What's that furry ball?
A kitten. Meow.
Kitten, kitten. Puppy, puppy.
Who's wagging its tail?
A puppy. Woof.
Puppy, puppy. Gooseling, gooseling.
Who's following Mama Goose?
Baby geese. Goslings.
Gooseling, gooseling. Duckling, duckling.
What swims behind the duck?
Ducklings. So cute.
Duckling, duckling. Pet, pet.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I love my pet.
Pet. Pet. Farm animal. Farm animal.
What animals live on farms?
Cows, chickens, pigs.
Farm animal. Farm animal. Stable. Stable.
Where does the horse live?
In the stable.
Stable. Stable.
Let's review the words.
Lamb. Kid. Foal. Kitten. Puppy. Gooseling. Duckling. Pet. Farm animal. Stable. Barn. Barn.
What's that big red house?
A barn.
Barn. Barn. Coop. Coop.
Where do chickens sleep?
In the chicken coop.
Coop. Coop. Pasture. Pasture.
Where do cows eat?
In the pasture.
Pasture. Pasture. Trough. Trough.
Where do pigs eat?
In the trough.
Trough. Trough. Hay. Hay.
What do cows eat?
They love hay.
Hay. Hay. Saddle. Saddle.
What's that on the horse?
It's a saddle.
Saddle. Saddle. Pitchfork. Pitchfork.
What tool is that?
A pitchfork.
Pitchfork. Pitchfork. Haystack. Haystack.
What's that big pile?
A haystack.
Haystack. Haystack. Fence. Fence.
Why are there fences?
To keep animals in.
Fence. Fence. Tractor. Tractor.
What's that big red thing?
A tractor.
Tractor. Tractor.
Let's review the words.
Barn. Coop. Pasture. Trough. Hay. Saddle. Pitchfork. Haystack. Fence. Tractor.
You did a great job today. Thank you for learning and coloring with Misoo. When you are ready, watch the next video with me. See you next time. Goodbye.